Welcome to Home Garden Remedies. I have this camote and peanuts. The camote is from my mother and the peanuts are from my sister. They asked me to plant them. Okay, actually that's family business. Why? I am the labor and they are the investors. Alright, so I have here chopped sunflower leaves. Theirs are abundant here. And I'm gonna use it as my organic matter. Alright? And then for planting these ones, this camote peanut, actually they need loose soil and well draining soil. Alright? Happy soil, happy camote and peanuts. Alright? So before we proceed, please like and comment and subscribe to Home Garden Remedies, because here in Home Garden Remedies, we believe that all plants grow with love. And we believe also that overwatering is the #1 killer of most plants. Okay, so are these? Actually, it's just a regular soil with organic matter and that's it. Anything that you have there, we can use it or you can use it as an organic matter. Okay, if you have cow manure, rabbit manure. Actually, I'm asking my friend to sell her, rabbit poop. Christine, sell now your rabbit poop and we'll buy it. Actually, when you check on Shopee, Lazada, like those, rabbit poop are there on sale. Okay. Aside from that, there are also other poops. Sorry for the ones eating. Oh, manures, animal manures. Actually, there's Carabao cow manure on sale. And also there's chicken manure. But I'm not into chicken manure unless it is very, 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 very processed for a long time, Okay, let's plant our camote. Camote is very staple food here in the Philippines, here in the highlands or anywhere in the Philippines. And this camote that we're going to plant is from Kapangan. They have the heirloom varieties until now. And in our place in Alno, I don't see any heirloom varieties already. So good in Kapangan and also in other parts of the country, they still have the heirloom camote. I'm always talking here about camote, but what is camote in English? It's the sweet potato. Okay, and it's very easy to grow, and it's available all year round, but it's best to plant them in summer, and on rainy season you have something to eat. It is investing your future. Okay, especially now that prices are up again. So actually I started planting kangkong, talong, eggplant here, and onions, and what else do I have? Sayote and calabasa. And then actually my mother wants me to plant this camote because she wants the, what's this? She wants the, what do you call that? Because I'm planting the tubers here in this sack, and then the tubers and the vine. The vine. She'll be planting the cuttings in her farm, in her garden. She has larger space. So I planted it May 26, 2026, and now it's June 16, 2026. See, it works. So happy planting. And always remember that all plants grow with love here in Home Garden Remedies. Alright, tiyanog kabasan one.
Kahit anong tanim, kahit anong simula, basta't may tiyaga, laging may mapapala. It's not just about the soil or the sun up above. Dito sa Home Garden Remedies by Hardiner ang nanay, we share the secrets of a life that's bright and sunny. Always remember as we watch the leaves above, we believe that all plants grow with love. Lunti ang lunas, lunti ang buhay. Home Garden Remedies, keep growing with love. Kahit anong tanim, kahit anong simula, basta't may tiyaga, laging may mapapala. It's not just about the soil or the sun up above.